So I've talked about the benefits of strength training. Now I'll talk about the types of strength training exercises. Strength training exercises are broadly divided into two categories: body weight exercises and weight-based exercises, also called weight training. When it comes to body weight exercises, you just need the weight of your body to create that load on the muscle. Body weight exercises are great for those who are starting out with strength training, as these exercises will help them build lean muscle to an extent. And once that lean muscle is built to an extent, these body weight exercises will help build muscle endurance, which is basically the ability of a muscle to exercise for longer durations. Also, body weight exercises can be done anytime, anywhere, as they don't require any form of equipment. A great thing about body weight exercises is that you can add variations to a single exercise. For example, a simple push-up may have different variations targeting different muscle groups. And finally, body weight exercises help in building mobility and balance. On the other hand, for weight-based exercises, you either need free weights or weight machines to put load on that particular muscle. Weight-based exercises are easy to progress because you just need to add weights to the particular equipment to increase load on the muscle. This is not the case with body weight workouts, where the load on the muscle remains the same throughout the workout. As a result, weight-based exercises build more muscle mass and strength as compared to body weight exercises once the lean muscle is developed. Also, weight-based exercises can help you isolate one particular muscle group at a time. For example, you can isolate triceps, biceps or chest muscles and work out that particular muscle to develop it. But the biggest downside for weight-based exercises is that you need equipment to exercise. So those are the two types of strength training exercises. But just in case if you're a beginner, you're looking to start out with strength training, you don't have any equipment with you, you don't have access to any gym, then you can start out with these very basic body weight exercises that I'm about to show you right now.